This Lakeview Bradford floor plan on first floor has been freshly painted and new tiled lanai. Enclosed tiled entry. All interior walls, doors and kitchen cabinets. New hardware on kitchen and bath cabinets. No CUM screening in lanai, new toilets and faucets in both baths. Newly tiled shower floor in master bath, jetted tub and guest bath. New refrigerator and microwave, new air conditioner, air quality filter system 2021. This 3/bedroom, 2-bath home was a vacation home. Extraexterior storage unit off front entry. Enjoy all the great amenities offered in this gated golf course community. 2 restaurants, community clubhouse and pool, exercise room, lakefront beach, library, play area, putting green and tennis courts, pro shops. Pay as you play golf. Walk out your back lanai to walking and jogging paths with fountain view. Only 5 miles to Sanibel and close to shopping and fine dining.